Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify SugarCRM workflow and approval processes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify SugarCRM workflow and approval processes, first, log in to your SugarCRM account. Navigate to the admin panel. Locate the workflow management section. Click on the workflows option to view existing workflows. Select the specific workflow you want to review. Open the workflow details to examine its configuration. Check the triggers set for the workflow to ensure they are accurate. Review the conditions specified in the workflow. Make sure all necessary fields and modules are included. Next, examine the actions that the workflow is designed to perform. Ensure that the actions correspond to the intended outcomes. If approval processes are part of the workflow, locate the approval settings. Verify the participants involved in the approval process. Check the approval criteria to confirm they align with your business requirements. Test the workflow by creating a sample record to initiate the process. Monitor the status of the workflow and ensure it operates as expected. Take note of any errors or issues that arise during the test. Adjust the workflow settings as needed based on your findings. Once adjustments are made, conduct another test to confirm functionality. Finally, document all changes for future reference and compliance. This ensures your SugarCRM workflow and approval processes are thoroughly verified and effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.